Hi and welcome to football trading preview for Newcastle against Chelsea. It's a lunchtime kickoff in the Premier League and we are using the Money Trends Radar tool to find profitable angles for football trading. For this game we will be looking at three different sets of trends. So we will be looking at over 2.5 goals trends, back home and away money trends and lie home and away money trends. So let's start with over 2.5 goals. So the Premier League is back after the international break and the very first match is between Newcastle and Chelsea, when Chelsea are big odds-on favourites to win this match. And over 2.5 goals is available to back at around 1.67. Now these prices are taken from Bet365, so the exchange prices will be most likely a bit higher and might be different at the time you're watching this video. So the first market we're looking at is over 2.5 goals. First of all, let's have a look at the long-term money trends for both Newcastle and Chelsea. So Newcastle played 6 matches in the past 3 seasons when being priced between 5.5 and 7.5, and 3 out of those 6 matches went over 2.5 goals. Now it was not enough to generate any profits due to the odds of 1.85. Now note that the odds available for this game are 1.67 or above 1.7 at betting exchanges. When it comes to Chelsea away matches, when being priced between 1.4 and 1.6, they played 21 matches away in the last 3 seasons, and backing over 2.5 goals generated over 78 points profits to 10 points level stakes. Also, the average odds in those bets was 1.81, so it's a bit higher than available at the moment. Next, we can look at the medium-term money trend, so last 20 home and 20 away matches for both teams, so teams playing patterns, and there are nice steady trends for goals. So over 2.5 goals in the last 20 matches for Newcastle generated nice profits, and also for Chelsea. So that's definitely an angle to look for this match. When we look at the short-term money trends, there's nothing concerning. In fact, Chelsea's last 5 matches went over 2.5 goals, and Newcastle had 3 out of 6, but so there's nothing to put us off this bet. And in the league standings, Chelsea stands 5th with Newcastle in 13th place. And with the last 6 head-to-head matches in the Premier League, 4 of them finishing in 2.5 goals, with the last 2 actually only seeing 1 goals. So have that in mind, this angle for over 2.5 goals. But I'm going to quickly show you next 2 angles which might be handy to connect when trading those markets. So next market will be backing home and backing away teams. Now let's have a look at backing home and backing away teams money trends for Premier League. So looking at the long-term money trends and at Newcastle matches, backing Newcastle at home against those big teams when Newcastle being priced between 5 and 7 was very profitable. On the other hand, if you look at Chelsea's away performance when being priced between 1.4 and 1.6, they played 21 matches, and despite winning plenty of them, you would have made a loss by simply backing them. Next, let's have a look at the medium-term money trends for backing both teams, backing home and backing away. Backing Newcastle at home in the last 20 home matches resulted in a nice profit. Not many wins, however, very good odds. And similarly, when looking at Chelsea's away record in the last 20 Premier League matches, when you back them, you would have again made a loss. So it was not profitable to back them when playing away. And now we're going to look at the lie home and lie away money trends. Let's have a look at the lying Newcastle and lying Chelsea money trends. So in the long-term money trends, lying Newcastle in those home matches would have been would have made you a loss. However, backing Chelsea away when being priced between 1.4 and 1.6 would have made you a nice profit out of those 21 matches. And it looks pretty much the same for the medium-term money trends. So lying Newcastle at home would have made you a loss, and lying Chelsea away would have made you a profit. Now, given the current circumstances, so Chelsea being back after an international break, after having plenty of players on the international duty, going to a tough place that is Newcastle. Also, given the Chelsea defense problems, they've conceded 10 goals in their last 8 Premier League matches. I like the look of over 2.5 goals and lying Chelsea. Now, so if you want to trade that match, you can go to Betfair Exchange. Lying Chelsea is available at 1.54, and backing over 2.5 goals you could ask for 1.72, and you could trade both of those markets, and and you should have plenty of options as the goals hopefully go in that match. There's also another strategy you could use for that match using the same trends, which would be lying Chelsea but also backing some correct score markets to ensure that lie bet. So for example, lie Chelsea and back 1-2 and 0-3. So that's it for this match. It's definitely a different angle to what most of the punters and traders will be doing. So instead of backing Chelsea, there are some strong reasons to lay them, and I would be looking to get involved in over 2.5 goals markets, maybe at slightly bigger price, but treat it more as an insurance. Enjoy the game and see you next time.